onset of the festive season is like a bag full of joy and excitement. And with so many festivals already knocking on the door, one of the most awaited annual harvest celebrations, Onam, is here. Although it is Kerala's official festival, people across India celebrate it with zeal. Hi guys, I am Ankita and today I am going to show you a traditional Onam festive makeup look. Before I get into the video, go ahead and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. I've already done my skincare routine and now I'll go ahead and apply a primer. Now the job of any makeup primer is to create the perfect base for the foundation to go on smoothly and give the skin a velvety matte finish, right? But most primers fail to do this simple task for me until I started using this primer. It's the Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Face Primer. It will help even out the skin tone, hide imperfections, and will ensure that your makeup lasts long because who is going to have the time to do a touch-up while I'm busy with the festive celebrations, right? Next, I'll go ahead and apply this foundation. For this look, I want my skin to be matte, and for that, I am going to use the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation in the shade Warm Creme. This foundation is perfect for any festivities because it has a wide range of shades that is especially made for Indian skin tones. Apply this all over the face and neck and blend it with a damp beauty sponge. As you can see, the finish is natural skin-like, but you can build it up as per your preference. Okay, so now it's time to do the eye makeup. But before that, I am going to prep my eyes by dotting a bit of concealer. Now what the concealer is going to do is, firstly, it will act as an eyeshadow base which will help the eyeshadow colors to stand out, and secondly, it will hide any discoloration on the eyelids. The eye look that I am going to show you today is quite easy and doable and will work very well with any ethnic look. So firstly, I am going to apply a transition color from the Lakme Absolute Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Smoking Glam. Using a fluffy blending brush, I am going to dip in the matte brown shade and with a light hand will apply it all over the eyelids. Next, I am going to use a liquid eyeshadow. This is the one I am going to be using. It's the Lakme Absolute Explore Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Pink Champagne and Copper Glitter. These liquid eyeshadows are my absolute favorite because they are so easy to apply, plus they are available in 4 different shades. And the best part about these liquid eyeshadows are that it has a lightweight crease-free formula with buildable coverage. You should definitely get your hands on it right away. Okay, so for this look, I am going to take the Pink Champagne shade and apply it really close to the lash line. Then using a smudger brush, I am going to smudge it out to make it look like glitter eyeliner. Now since it has a buildable coverage, you can go over with the glitter shade if you feel the intensity is low. For the lower lash line, I am going to create a smudge kajal look. I'll rim the lower waterline first with the Lakme Absolute Explore Eye Pencil in the shade Mysterious Black. Using a small smudger brush, smudge it out for a smoky effect. The eye pencil has a rich pigment, plus it's smudge proof and crease free that lasts up to 32 hours. Also guys, if you want to watch more such festive makeup looks, then tap on the eye icon on the top right. I will complete this eye look by applying a mascara, and today I am using the Lakme Absolute Flutter Secrets Dramatic Eyes Mascara in the shade Night Drama. As usual, wiggle and swipe it on the lashes. Best part is कि ये mascara waterproof and smudge resistant है, and it has a curling formula that instantly gives your lashes a voluminous effect. Now it's time to define the facial features, which brings me to my eyebrows. Did you know filling in your brows can add length and definition to your face? This is my go-to eyebrow pencil. It's the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector in the shade Charcoal. Fill in the sparse area and then go over with the spoolie. The tip of this eyebrow pencil mimics natural eyebrow hair. Plus, this is a smudge-proof and long-lasting formula that's going to keep the eyebrows groomed and defined for a long time. To add some color on the face, I am going to use the Lakme Absolute Shimmer Brick in the shade Pink. As you can see, this blush has a mix of colors which is perfect to create a lustrous sculpted look. I am going to swirl my fluffy brush throughout the pan and apply it on the hollows of the cheeks, dragging it slightly towards the temples for a lifted effect. Next, I am going to apply a product that is an absolute highlight of any makeup look. This product not only helps us glow on days when our skin needs CPR, but also adds dimension to our face. Any guesses what I'm talking about? It's a highlighter. Today I'm going to be using the Lakme Absolute Liquid Highlighter in the shade Rose Gold. Just dot it on the high point of the face like the sides of the cheeks, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow and even on the chin, and blend it out using the finger. The formula is extremely lightweight and blends seamlessly into the skin, plus it has a buildable coverage yet feels non-sticky on the skin. Finally, we've come to the lips. I'll first use the Lakme Perfect Definition Lip Liner in the shade Rosewood Forest to enhance the shape of the lips and to add depth. And then I will go ahead and use this lipstick. It's the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Nude Cushion. This lipstick has a built-in primer that gives a long-lasting, non-sticky, smooth finish. Now it's time to wear my outfit. I'm going to stick to the traditional attire of Kerala with just one gold border pattern called the Kasavu saree. And to add more touch of femininity, I'll put a bindi and accessory with gold jewelry to give the look an entirety. And lastly, to make my white and gold saree look even more beautiful, I'm going to wear a bun with gajra around it. So guys, this is my take on the Onam festive makeup look. If you are interested in any of these products, then go to the description box below for the purchasing links. Before you go, like, share and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Bye.